Hi po. Hi po, I'm planning to buy a violin for myself. Is it possible to get good when you're self-taught? Okay, ito na naman tayo. Alright, so, is it possible? Yes. Is it hard? Yes. Will it be easier pag meron kang teacher? Yes. Okay? So, I won't discredit people who actually get good but on their own. But, in reality, wala naman talagang gumagaling ng mag-isa. Diba? We always say feedback is the most important aspect of learning how to play any instrument for that matter or any skill, 'di ba? Lahat ng taong gumaling may nagturo sa kanila, no? Walang taong gumaling ng mag-isa. 'Di ba? In any form of field, in any discipline, laging may magtuturo sa iyo. Okay? Now, bibili ka ng violin tapos mag-aaral ka. This is one of the easiest idea to stop and quit, di ba? Maraming cases na ganyan. They buy their instrument, tapos aral sila mag-isa, hoping nagagaling sila. Then a few months go by, parang wala pa rin akong nakikita yung improvement. Sabihin nila sa sarili na, benta ko na lang. Ganun. It's that simple, no? So it's very very rare na may gagaling na mag-isa. Okay? Kung meron man, let's say 1%. Now, if you wanna learn it on your own, syempre marami naman dyan, di ba? Lagi na sinasabi, may YouTube, may dito sa TikTok, di ba? Kaya nga nagtuturo din ako eh. Pero in reality, wala naman nagsasabi sa'yo kung tama o mali ginagawa mo. That's what's lacking, no? So, kung mag-aaral ka mag-isa, 100% matututo ka ng mga maling habits. Okay? And ayoko umabot ka sa point na marirealize mo yan where it's too late, where it's harder for you. Kasi kung mag-aaral ka mag-isa tapos natutunan mo yung bad habits tapos nagpaturo ka, doble yung pagod, effort, pati perang magagastos mo. Kasi think of it this way, no? Sasabihin mo, magaling na ako, magpapaturo ako. So, nag-enroll ka. Now, dahil sobrang dami mong bad habits na nakuha, dahil feeling mo magaling ka na kasi mag-isa nag-aral ka. Nung nag-lesson ka, sabi sa'yo ng teacher mo, babaguhin natin lahat. So, instead of starting from zero, yung 5 sessions mo na would get you to, let's say, level 5, no? Let's say 1 level per session, which that's pretty quick, diba? Whatever you mean by level. So, sabihin natin kung if you're starting from 0 to get to level 5 on the 5th session. Okay yun, di ba? Pero dahil marami ka nang natutunang mali, bago ka pa makarating sa 0 level, baka 5 sessions na rin yung magastos mo. So, kailangan mo ng 10 sessions just to get to level 5. No? So, ganun yung mangyayari sa'yo. And sa kakatipid natin, lalo tayo napapamahal, di ba? We have to take that mentality away na makatipid ako kasi mag-aaral ako mag-isa. Because you're just going to waste a lot more resources than just money. You're wasting time na hindi mo na maibabalik. Yung effort na mali pala yung ginagawa mo without knowing. Diba? Sobrang hirap baguhin ng mga bagay na yan. So, if you want to learn it properly with a mentor that knows what they're doing. No? I don't care about the violin at this point, 'di ba? Sabi ko nga, kahit yung pinakamura, pag may teacher ka, magagawa niya ng paraan. 'Di ba? Ang dami din nagko-comment dito na parang sinasabi nila, pangit bumili ng mura kasi hindi maganda yung tunog, hindi matutugtugan. Yes, kung ikaw mag-isa ang gagawa ng paraan. Pero kung yung teacher mo, matutulungan ka, maiayos yung bridge, mai-set up ng tama, maitono ng ayos. Diba? Wala kang problema. Matutugtugan mo yung mga pangit na violin na yan. And maybe you can play on it and make it sound better because you are trained by professionals on how to do things. So again, I wouldn't recommend you doing it, but of course it's your money, your choice, but there are consequences when we do these types of things. So, yun lang, alamin mo kung ano yung mas okay ba sa'yo na mas mabilis mo siya matutunan or mas matagal at mas mahirap na pagdadaanan. Because there are always 1,000 ways to do one thing. Pero there is a quick way that would save you not just time effort, but also money na rin in the long run kung magpapaturo ka ng tama. Okay? Again, I'm not saying sa akin ka magpaturo, but find someone who would fit your budget, fit your schedule, and fit the way you want to learn. Diba? You have to align those things para maganda yung maging experience mo. So, good luck sa'yo.